Hi, my name is Jay. I'm a parts manager with the automotive group Weins Canada. I know we're all in denial, but winter is coming. I'm sure you've already prepared to have winter tires installed in the next month or so. This year was a little different, and I'm here to give you a little bit of a heads up. With the pandemic still looming and its effects still being felt around the globe, time will be of the essence this winter season. Shortages are affecting not only the supply of raw materials to the tire manufacturers, but the shipping containers themselves. The workforce has not escaped closures and layoffs, directly impacting the production facilities. The end result is limited inventory that will be available to you. So if you have yet to purchase a new set of winter tires, or are looking to replace your existing worn-out set, don't wait for the snow to fall. Early swap and installation promotions are available now at your favorite Weins Canada dealership. Don't get caught out in the cold. And thank you for trusting us with your safety.